patient with reactive hypoglycemia and the clinical lab technologist at the Mayo Clinic, I've seen the frustration of our broken approach to metabolic health from both sides. My journey has led me to a powerful conclusion. We haven't been failing our diets. Our diets have been failing us because we've been flying a plane without an instrument panel. Today, I want to show you that instrument panel. It's inside each of us, a thriving ecosystem of trillions of microbes. This gut microbiota brain axis is now recognized as a central player in obesity, and landmark studies has proven these microbes are in the driver's seat. Researchers proved that microbes from a twin with obesity could transmit an obese phenotype to a still mouse, increasing adiposity and altering metabolism. They proved that one person's post-meal blood sugar might spike after eating a banana, while another spike after a cookie, and that these responses could be accurately predicted by a machine learning algorithm based on microbiome data. The key predictor? Their unique gut microbiome. This means there is no universally healthy diet. There's only what is healthy for you. So how do we use this? In a recent 2024 study in Nature Metabolism gives us a glimpse into the future of precision feeding. Researchers gave overweight individuals resistant starch, a special fiber. The result? An average weight loss of nearly 3 kilograms. The science showed the starch specifically sped a beneficial bug, Bifidobacterium adolescentis, which then produced compounds that literally block fat from being absorbed. They targeted the microbe to get the result. But it's not just about precision feeding, it's also about shifting our entire metabolic state. This brings us to the clinical research of Dr. Eric Westman at Duke. For over 2 decades, his work has built a powerful evidence base showing that a low-carbohydrate, ketogenic diet can be a primary therapy to reverse type 2 diabetes. As he and Dr. Yancey argue in a recent book chapter, the evidence for low-carb approaches is on par with, if not superior to, many long-standing dietary guidelines, challenging the very foundation of conventional nutrition advice. His work raises a profound scientific question. Why is it so effective? The answer may lie in a new frontier, the impact of ketones, an alternative energy source our bodies make from fat on the biome. This focus on mechanism is the future, and it's happening right now at the Mayo Clinic. Dr. Andres Acosta's lab is pioneering a top-down clinical approach classifying obesity not by BMI, but by its underlying phenotype, like a hungry gut with rapid gastric emptying. In a landmark 2021 trial, he proved that matching a medication to a patient's specific phenotype nearly doubled weight loss. Simultaneously, Dr. Prerna Kashyap's gut microbiome lab provides the bottom-up explanation, discovering the precise microbial mechanisms driving these conditions, like how gut bacteria possess decarboxylase enzymes that convert dietary tryptophan into the signaling molecule tryptamine, which then talks directly to our cells. This is the revolution. Clinicians like Dr. Westman are showing that a systems approach works. Dr. Acosta is defining what is happening in the patient, and Dr. Kashyap is discovering why it's happening at the microbial level. Whether it's phenotyping our metabolism or precision feeding our microbes, the future is clear. It's not about another best-selling diet book. It's about data. It's about your data. So I'll leave you with this. To my fellow clinicians and scientists, I ask, when will we stop treating the symptoms of a broken system and start treating the system itself? And to everyone who has ever felt like a failure on a diet, I say, you are not broken. You are simply working without the instruction manual. Now, we're finally looking at the instrument panel.